Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
Hi,
इधर से भी है बोलते ना.
Hi.
hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
So glad to have you all here. Hi.
I'm there too. I'm just not connecting from my phone.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Jilpa.
Hi. So many known faces and known names, and I'm sure.
Hi, Dee.
Hi, dear. Hi. So people are still joining. Is it okay if we wait for another 1 minute? Yeah.
Do we have to keep our video on?
You don't have to, but I would surely love to see your faces. So if you can.
Hey, Jalpa.
Hi.
Hey. How are you?
Good.
You look so good.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so happy to have all of you here. Wow. Thank you so much for
All our pleasure.
हाँ मालूम है.
Hi, Jalpa.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Okay. My mom is also here. Mummy. Okay, amazing. Awesome. मैं कोशिश करूंगी इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में मैं ट्रांसलेट करूं, बट मेरी इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों ही बहुत अच्छी नहीं है.
Jalpa, I guess your mom can't hear. She's saying आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो मम्मी है ना, इसको ऑडियो कनेक्ट करना होगा. अब आ रही है? ठीक है. ओके, परफेक्ट. So if you can't hear me, you will have to connect the audio.
Okay.
Connect the audio. Please log off and log in once again. Okay. And in next 2 minutes, I'll have to mute all of you here. So quickly, what I'll do is, जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, मैं उनका नाम at least लेके, और जिनको नहीं भी जानती उनका नाम यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे है. I just want to acknowledge each one of you who have taken out time to be here. So I see Sharma. I'm not sure ये कौन है. Shobit, hi. Shobit, what I'm wearing today. I got this from Shobit, so thank you. Okay.
That's बढ़िया है.
Thank you. Okay. Shroff.
लड़के ने बनाया ना.
Hi. Manish.
तो खाऊंगी.
हाँ जी.
Sir, thank you for joining. Hi. Okay. Sheetal. Hi. Deepika. Richa. Hi. Swati. Aranya. Shweta.
Abhinav too.
Hi, Jalpa.
Hi.
Richa and Abhinav are together.
Oh, Abhinav, hi. I can't see you.
Hi.
I can't hear you. You have to switch on your video so that I can see you.
Hi.
Hi, Bulbul Di. Hi.
Hi, Ranjana Di.
Hi. Ishika, Mummy, Shakun.
Hi.
So good to see you. Puneet, hi. Ruchi ma'am, hi. Kanushika, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you, Jilpa?
Very good, ma'am. Thank you. Gitanjali, hi. Hi, Nandita ji. So good to see you. Avisha, Sunny ji, thank you so much, and thank you for sharing it with so many people. You are such an amazing source of inspiration. Thank you. Sonal, hi Sonal. अच्छा, अभी सब इधर उधर हो गए. मुझे नहीं पता मैंने किस किस को हाय बोला, कौन कौन रह गया. तो अभी जो अदिति, हाय. मीता मैम, हाय. हाय कीर्ति. धर्मिष्ठा, संदीप, हिमा, हर्षल, खुशबू, निकुंज, स्नेहा, Amika. Hi Niku. Okay, and everybody else who's here. Hi.
Hi.
You want to say hi to everyone? You are here for that. Come quickly, and then I'm going to start. Come. Okay, here.
Jalpa, can you add me again on another device now?
Yeah, sure, Shweta. Okay.
Jalpa, can you add me again?
Wait. Okay. Yes, I've admitted everybody else that I could see here. And we'll begin now. Okay. I request everybody to mute themselves so that there is no noise in the background and everybody can hear. Okay, also if somebody gets disconnected, oh Vinita, is that you? Vinita, hi. Okay, if somebody gets disconnected and messages in the group, अगर कोई message आता है group में तो आप please मुझे यहाँ पे chat में लिख देना, because I might get so engrossed that I may not be able to check the waiting list here. Okay, and if there are more people joining, somebody can please resend the Zoom ID again in the group, like the same message, so that they can join. I don't know if they are asking on okay. Okay, I request everybody to please mute themselves. So that we can start. I'm not sure if the link would work for more than 100 people. And I still see how many, like 45 odd participants here. Even if it doesn't work, what I'll do is I have already started the recording, so I'll share the recording with everyone. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Amazing. So glad to have all of you here. Welcome everyone. And congratulations. Congratulations because you all are here. Congratulations because the reason why you are here is because you believe in magic. Yeah. Or if not, at least you want to, I'm sure. Yeah, that's the reason why each one of us is here today. Yeah, awesome. So now if you want to say something or if you want to ask something, please drop a message in the chat, right? I have muted everybody here and make sure that you are on mute only. And towards the end, maybe what I'll do is we can keep an interactive session. And if anybody wants to ask something or wants to add something or wants to share their feedback or wants to come up with more suggestions of, how we can go about what we are trying to do, you're free to do it towards the end of it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you are here because you believe in magic, or at least, you want to, right? And no matter how far and faint the possibilities appear, the possibilities are there, right? And we all know that. All of us are aware about it. Possibilities हैं, magic है. हो सकता है कि जितना क्राइसिस अभी चल रहा है, जितना chaos अभी चल रहा है, हमको पता नहीं है कि वो possibilities कहाँ हैं, कैसे दिखेंगी. लेकिन हम सबको पता है कि possibilities हैं, right? लेकिन हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? क्या हम वेट करना चाहते हैं जब तक कि ये टाइम निकल जाए, या फिर do we want to become a catalyst, a change agent towards creating those possibilities, changing everything that's going on? I'm sure we don't want to just sit and wait, right? And that's the reason why I took this small initiative. I'm sure all of us are doing our bit. We have been praying. And I know that, many of you I personally know who are doing their bit, of course. But, when we do it together, it's like we also contribute to the collective consciousness. And also we know that all of us are together in this, right? So one person here and one person there praying in their respective homes. Instead, if we all of us do it together, also, कई लोग मेरे को ये भी पूछ रहे थे कि ठीक है मैजिक तो करना है, लेकिन ये मैजिक होगा कैसे? We'll talk about it today, right? Okay. One more thing before we, practically begin the session. We want to see magic. We want to see possibilities because all of us want to stay alive. We feel bad because we see people dying, right? There is something about it that makes our hearts heavy. So all of us want to be alive. We want to live. But ultimately, why do we want to live? So when I was, as I was digging deeper into myself, I really wanted to ask this question. Because there are times I would really feel anxious. I would feel fearful. I have a hospital right opposite my house. एम्बुलेंस की आवाज आएगी, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स की आवाज आएगी, मुझे कुछ होने लगता था अंदर से। और उस पैनिक में मैं बहुत बार ओवर रिएक्ट भी कर जाती थी, अभी भी करती हूँ, जस्ट लाइक एवरीवन, so many other people, so many of us who probably might be facing the same thing. So I started asking, okay, why do I want to survive? Why do I want my near and dear ones to be alive? Like, what's the reason? Ultimately, what do I want to achieve? And I just got one answer, that I just want to live a more fulfilling life, a happy life. Probably that's the reason, apart from, whatever agendas you have on your to-do list, right? कि ये करना है, एक साल बाद ये करना है, bucket list में ये है, वो है, अभी इतना कुछ बचा है, but ultimately हमको करना क्यों है वो सब कुछ? Because कहीं ना कहीं हमको लगता है कि, फिर finally जाके हम खुश रह पाएंगे, isn't it? ये हो जाएगा, फिर जाके हम खुश रह पाएंगे। And I realized कि अगर खुश रहने के लिए ही जीना है, तो हम अभी से क्यों नहीं खुश रह सकते? हमें अभी क्यों पैनिक में, फियर में और एंजाइटी में जीने की जरूरत है, जब अल्टीमेटली हमको जीना ही इसलिए कि खुश रहना है? तो अगर मैं अगले 10 मिनट भी जिंदा हूँ, so as I just shared with all of you, I bought this from Shobit. He's here. He's got an amazing jewelry shop at a place here in Jaipur called Rambagh Palace. And I spoke with him like just 2 days, 3 days ago, and I told him कि यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I'm just waiting for a special day to wear these earrings. और आज भी मैं नहीं निकाल रही थी, मैंने निकाल के रखा और फिर मैंने वापस में कहा नहीं आज क्यों? तो मैंने बोला कि अभी तो मैं बाहर कहीं जा ही नहीं रही हूँ, तो ये रखे हुए हैं, मतलब शायद वो दिन आएगा तब पहनूंगी, जब बाहर जाएंगे और सब कुछ होगा। And then I got conscious about it. I got into that awareness that why not today? Like, who has seen tomorrow? किसके लिए मुझे ये बचा के रखना है? I went back and I wore right away. और किसी ने बोला कि अच्छे भी लग रहे हैं, so thank you. So ultimately, we want to live because we want to be happy. Can we choose that happiness in this moment? And if we just want to feel miserable, be miserable, suffer in any form, if that's the reason we want to be alive, like what's the point then? And most of us are actually suffering and struggling, including me, at so many levels, ये कब चेंज होगा? अरे आज बहुत गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है इसलिए आई वुड नॉट फील गुड। अरे आज ठंड बहुत ज्यादा है, आज आंधी तूफान आ गया इसलिए आई एम नॉट फीलिंग ग्रेट। आज बहुत ज्यादा एम्बुलेंस आई है इसलिए आई एम नॉट, मतलब वी कीप फाइंडिंग रीजंस दैट keep us stuck and miserable in our lives, and then we say no we have to survive. Like for what reason? Just to feel more miserable. कुछ और साल चाहिए जिंदगी में ताकि और miserable feel कर पाए। Isn't that funny? Yeah. So the first, maybe food for thought that I want to share here is, whenever you suffer and whenever you struggle, but still you want to survive, you don't want to feel the pain, we want to resist all those, we want to save ourselves from all kind of pains in the world. But for what reason? So that we can be happy. Finally, we can be happy. Can we choose it now? So can we commit to ourselves in this moment that, okay, I am choosing to be happy no matter what? Yeah. Because if every single vibration or energy, like if, I know a lot of people who are spiritually inclined, or at least I know that they are well educated. Even if they are not, we all of us know that there is something known as energy, ऊर्जा। हर चीज ऊर्जा पे चल रही है। अगर हर चीज एनर्जी से चलती है यूनिवर्स में, तो मैं किस एनर्जी में हूँ जो मैं मेरा योगदान दे रही हूँ इस यूनिवर्स को। So imagine 100 people being unhappy versus 100 people being happy, just because they are choosing to be happy. They are not waiting to be happy. What would contribute more to this world? All of us know the answer, right? So can we choose to be happy no matter what? Can we actually choose to be alive instead of, merely surviving? Yeah. Awesome. So what capacity do we have with magic that we still have not acknowledged? And that's where we are going to do today. We'll tap into our own magical capacities. Also, by any chance, if you get disconnected, और अगर मैं आपको नहीं वापस ऐड कर पाऊँ तो आप लोग डिसहार्टन मत होना, मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ and you will still get the recording, right? But still try and participate in the process live, because लाइव ये सब कुछ करने का एक अलग मजा है जब हम सब एक साथ कर रहे होते हैं इस चीज को. Okay, so what does it take to create the magic? All of us want to change whatever is happening. What does it take? And we know that, okay, we can change it magically, but वो magic करें कैसे? How do we create that magic? Let me ask something to you. How many of you can draw? It would be great if I can see your faces so that at least you all can participate through gestures. So maybe you can just raise your hand if you feel you can draw. How many of you can draw? How many of you can do the drawing? Okay, I just see one hand going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I can.
Okay. So please don't unmute yourself. Only through gestures we'll communicate for now. Okay. Last maybe all of us can talk together. Okay, amazing.
तो दिखाते हैं
And
इसमें.
how many of you can dance? How many
Dance.
can
No,
dance?
reaction में ये raise hand है. I can't dance. खाली तू चीजें dance. देखने में.
Again, a few hands going up here and there. Okay, somebody still unmute. Somebody, I can still hear your voice. So if possible, please keep yourselves on mute. Okay, few of you. Okay, how many of you can sing? Again, some hands here and there. Okay. What if I tell you that all of us can draw, all of us can paint, all of us can sing, all of us can dance? The only reason why, why we don't choose to is because we are too scared of the judgments. हम लोगों में से शायद ही कोई होगा जिसने आज तक ड्राइंग नहीं करी होगी बचपन में, सबने कर लिया. बट आज जब मैं सेशन लेती हूँ और जब मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि आपको एक ड्राइंग बनानी है, ज्यादातर नहीं बोलूंगी, more than 90% of my clients, they tell me, oh, I don't know how to draw. That's the first thing that comes to me. Second, I'm not very good at drawing. Third, please don't judge me for my drawing. Like, how scared are we for, what we are seen for, like how people see us, isn't it? So all of us can draw, all of us can sing, all of us can dance, all of us can do everything and anything that we desire. The only thing that stops us is our own points of view and our fear of judgment. Similarly, all that we need in order to draw, sing, paint or dance is only our willingness to do it. मेरा मन है गाने का, मैंने गा दिया, चाहे बाथरूम में गाया, चाहे पसंद आए नहीं आए किसी को, मुझे पता है मैं गा सकती हूँ, राइट? मुझे पता है मैं ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. It's not about how good or bad I can do it. Good and bad are all judgments. It's all subjective in nature. If somebody, कोई पेंटर हर कुछ तो बना लेता है और वो मॉडर्न आर्ट बन जाता है and then वो मिलियंस में बिक जाता है, राइट? और कोई देखता है उसको लगता है कि यार ये क्या था, ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. Isn't it? So the only thing that we need to create magic, just like drawing, painting, dancing, singing, is only our willingness to do it. So if today you want to create a change, or if you want to create a wave of magic in the world, it only requires one thing: your willingness to choose it. Make sense? The moment we choose it, we create it. The moment we ask it, we create it, right? And the only thing that stops us from creating that magic in our life or in the world is, we know what now? Our own point of views and the fear of judgment, our own doubts. And the worst part, वो हमारे है भी नहीं. वो जब हम बचपन से अभी तक जब बड़े हो गए थे, हमने वो सब ले लिए दूसरों से. They don't even belong to us, isn't it? So can we choose the magical healings now? What magic are we actually avoiding? Have we been avoiding in our lives? Just because we concluded at some point of time that, it's beyond our capacity. What if it is not? Can we all do it now? Can we all do it today? Yeah? All of us have those magic wands with us. And that magic wand is nothing but our capacity, our own willingness to choose. That's the only thing that we require to create magic. And we all have it, right? तो वो डाउट और वो सब कुछ यहीं खत्म हो जाता है कि हमसे हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. करना कैसे है? Now by default all of us are made of magic and love. Okay, Navika, I see your hand raised up. If you want to ask something, you can type it in the chat box, or else I'll take your question later. Hopefully you will get the answer आगे के conversation में. If not, then probably we can speak later towards the end of the session. Okay, so we all are naturally made of love and magic, right? So it's not very difficult, just that we have never tried it because we thought we could never do it. Now that we know we can, and now that we are going to do it, we will just know how to do it, right? It just requires our willingness and intent. So the moment we have our willingness in place, we just need to do the abracadabra and the magic will begin, right? Okay. We will do a small process today so that I can take you in your own deeper space where you can tap into the magic yourself. But before that, few things that we can probably commit to for next few days, right? We cannot do the session live every day, but now that I see you have committed to magic and you have committed to creating a wave of magic throughout the world, can all of us do it for next 21 days, like the process that we are going to do? Number one. Second, few things, if we can refrain from watching news, especially the negative media, can we do it for next few days, right? I was so happy to see a message today जिसमें लिखा था आज इतने लोग डिस्चार्ज हुए, आज इतने लोग ठीक होके घर लौटे, बट वो बहुत रेयर है. सब हमको ये बताते हैं अरे हॉस्पिटल के बेड्स फुल है, अरे ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, और टीजू और कितना वर्ड सिचुएशन होती जा रही है, isn't it? So can we refrain ourselves? Can we stop ourselves from watching any kind of negative media for next few days? Also, we will not forward any negative news for next few days. Let's create a change from today, right? Also, let's commit to consume only positive literature in any form. Be it books, be it television, be it movies. Let's just consume anything and everything that uplifts our spirits, right? For next few days. Okay. Can we start spending some time with our body? I'm sure there must be many people जो रोज exercise करते होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ करते होंगे अपनी body के साथ. लेकिन अगर नहीं करते, can we start doing it from today? You know what? Our bodies love to move, and our bodies have their own capacities with healing. The only problem is हम लोगों ने अपनी bodies को उतना importance ही नहीं दिया. सिर्फ जब survival पे बात आ जाती तब अचानक हमको लगता है नहीं ये body तो चाहिए. Next lifetime किसने देखा है कौन सी मिलने वाली है, ये वाली चाहिए. तो अगर ये चाहिए तो can we spend some time with our body doing some kind of physical exercise every single day for at least next 21 days? Can we commit to all of these? Yeah. So a thumbs up means you are in with me here for all of these. ठीक है. Perfect. Also, in case if you feel that we are just like 40, 50, 60 odd people here, can we really create that change that we are looking for in the world? Now we just need to create the change in our life, the way we see the world, the way we see ourselves, and baki sab kuch will automatically fall into the place. You know, when we start doing it together collectively, it is 100% going to contribute to the mass consciousness all throughout the globe. There is something known as placebo effect and nocebo effect, if you have heard about it. एक होता है placebo effect, एक होता है nocebo effect. ये होता है किस तरह से हमारा consciousness, हमारा mind इतना powerful है कि हम जिस चीज पे फोकस करते हैं वो चीज बढ़ने लग जाती है, right? तो I'll share an example. ऐसी बहुत, and you can actually Google it, तो ऐसी कई रिसर्चेस हुई हैं जिसके अंदर कई लोगों के ऊपर रिसर्च की गई जिनको बहुत डेबिलिटेटिंग डिसीज थी, कोई ना कोई टर्मिनल डिसीज थी, और उनके साथ कुछ चीजें करी, लेकिन दवाई के नाम पे उनको सिर्फ शुगर पिल दी गई और उनको बोला गया कि इस पिल से वो ठीक हो जाएंगे. और इस रिसर्च में ये आया सामने कि वो लोग एक्चुअली वो पिल खा के, जस्ट बिकॉज उनको उसमें ट्रस्ट था, वो उस डॉक्टर ने ही दी थी, यू नो, वो लोग एक्चुअली रिकवर होना स्टार्ट हो गए, क्योंकि उनको ये नहीं पता था कि ये सिर्फ एक शुगर पिल है. इसको प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट बोला जाता है, राइट? तो हमारा माइंड इतना पावरफुल है कि जब हम उसको जो चीज बिलीव करवा देते हैं वो करने लगता है. आज कोरोना के केस में सब लोगों को बिलीव करा दिया गया है कि कुछ बहुत डेंजरस चीज है, कुछ तो हो जाएगा, दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, पता नहीं कुछ तो हो रहा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स we hear all kinds of news, right? The only problem is people were dying every single day, even without corona, in accidents and so because of so many other diseases, just that nobody was reporting it to us every day. डिलीवरी में कितने लेडीज मरे, वो उनका नंबर आज भी कोरोना से ज्यादा है. एक्सीडेंट्स में जो लोग मरे उनका नंबर आज भी, यू नो, कोरोना विक्टिम से ज्यादा है, राइट? द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कोई हमको फीड नहीं कर रहा था ये न्यूज, रोज रोज हमको सुनने में नहीं आ रही थी. कैंसर से कितने लोग जा रहे हैं रोज, राइट? तो ये सारी चीजें एक नॉसेबो इफेक्ट क्रिएट कर रही है पूरी दुनिया में. एक तरफ देखा जाए तो लगता है यार एक सर्दी जुकाम का भाई बहन सा कुछ है ये, दूसरी तरफ देखा जाए तो लगता है अरे यार ये तो बहुत ही डेंजरस है, और रोज न्यूज में आ रहा है कि कितना डेंजरस और होता जा रहा है ये. भाई the worst that can happen is, you know, I can die, यही हो सकता है शायद बुरे से बुरा, राइट? तो एटलीस्ट मरने के पहले तो जी लूं ना, या मरने के पहले यही सोच के जीऊं कि यार और कितना बुरी तरह मर सकते हैं. let's choose to be alive, isn't it? ये नॉसेबो हमको जीने भी नहीं दे रहे. I'll share नॉसेबो का भी example, another example with you. I recently read it in a book. There was a person जिसका रिपोर्ट एक्सचेंज हो गया था किसी और पेशेंट के साथ, और उसकी रिपोर्ट में उसको कोई टर्मिनल डिसीज पॉजिटिव आ गई, और उसको उसके डॉक्टर ने बोला तुम्हारे पास जीने मतलब यू जस्ट हैव 3 more months विथ यू मैक्सिमम. वो आदमी 2 महीने में ही खत्म हो गया. बाद में जब उसकी रिपोर्ट्स चेक की गई, पता चला उसकी रिपोर्ट एक्चुअली कोई और पेशेंट के साथ एक्सचेंज हो गई थी, और उसको ऐसी कोई बीमारी एक्चुअली थी ही नहीं. So the person did not die because of the disease. How could he? क्योंकि उसको थी ही नहीं वो disease. That person actually died because of what we call as nocebo effect. And that's what is happening throughout the globe. Yes, we know there is something. We cannot run away from it. There is a disease called COVID. Fine, it's there. But that does not mean that we have to just give up everything and stop living, and we just have to, you know, live in a constant state of worry, anxiety and panic. We can do what we can do. Baki to at least let's do what we can do the best. Let's live to the fullest, right? Let's create more of the placebo instead of nocebo. So when all of us choose it, यहाँ पे इतने सारे अभी almost I think 50 participants or maybe more, कहाँ पे number लिखा है 50, right? So when each one of us choose it, when people around us choose it, imagine what magic can we create. Amazing, awesome. So let's begin. Ready? What we'll do right now is I'm going to do some clearings. ये जो मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ उसको हम clearings बोलते हैं. There is a modality called access consciousness. उसमें हम इनको क्लियरिंग्स बोलते हैं और ये बहुत मैजिकल प्रोसेस है. अगर आपने इसके बारे में नहीं भी सुना है, अगर आपको ये नहीं भी आता है, इट इज स्टिल ऑलराइट. थोड़ा हम क्लियरिंग्स करेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग वो प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसकी मैं बात कर रही थी. राइट? ओके. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस एंड एज आई सेड, अगर एक चीज है जो सब कुछ बदल सकती है तो हमारा चॉइस है. तो जब मैं आपको पूछूंगी कि आप ये चीज बदलना चाहते हैं, वुड यू चूज टू डू इट नाउ और वुड यू चूज टू लेट गो ऑफ इट नाउ? Just a yes is enough to create the change. Right? Perfect. So all our collective point of views that are creating this reality, can we now let go of them? क्या हम अब इन सबको जाने दे सकते हैं? ये सारे point of views को जो ये सारी limitations create कर रहे हैं दुनिया में. Yes? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, online shots, boys and beyonds. ये जो मैंने अभी बोला है वो समझ लेना आबरा का डाबरा है. कोई अनम्यूट हो गया है वापस, प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूट कर लो. अच्छा, तो ये जो मैंने अभी राइट रॉन्ग गुड बैड पॉक पॉड ऑनलाइन शॉट्स बॉयज एंड बियॉन्ड्स बोला है, इसको एक्सेस में क्लियरिंग स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं. अगर आपको ये नहीं भी पता है क्या है, इट इज स्टिल ऑलराइट, इट स्टिल वर्क्स. तो आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में समझ लेना कि मैंने कुछ मंत्र बोला है, अब्राकाडाब्रा टाइप्स. ओके? एंड आई वुड रियली लव टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू. सो दोज ऑफ यू हु कैन स्विच ऑन देयर कैमरास, इट वुड बी अमेजिंग. मैं यहाँ से कुछ मैजिक भेज रही हूँ बीच बीच में, तो मुझे जो लोग दिख रहे हैं उनके पास थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंचेंगे. ओके. एवरीथिंग दैट वी एवर डिड in any of the lifetimes that allows COVID-19 to exist today the way it exists today, and all of that, can we now destroy and uncreate, please? Can we let go of all of that, please? Yes? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, it's abracadabra in short. Okay, everywhere that we gave away our power to Corona, to COVID, and made it greater than us, can we now let go of that? Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyonds. It's okay if you don't understand this. Just choose to let go of it and the magic will happen. Okay, you don't really have to apply your mind. Just the willingness to choose is sufficient to create the change. Remember that. Okay, all the judgments, all the point of views, all the separations, all the rejections, all the projections, all the expectations, etc. that we have with respect to COVID, can we now destroy and uncreate, let go, delete, release all of that, please? Yes? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, online shots, boys and beyonds, abracadabra in short. Okay, all the fear and anxiety that we bought from media and other people about how bad it is, can we return all of that back? जहां जहां से मिला है उन सबको वापस लौटा दें प्लीज. तेरा तुझको अर्पण. Can we destroy, uncreate, delete, release all the anxiety and fear that we have bought from media, from people, or anywhere and everywhere that we have, got it from? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyonds. Everywhere that we are waiting and preparing to live, instead of choosing to live in this moment, can we now let go of that wait and start to choose living and be alive from this moment itself? Everything that doesn't allow us to be that, can we destroy and uncreate, delete, release all of that now, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyonds. Awesome. Everywhere that we are striving to survive, as if survival was more important than the quality of living, can we now let go of all of that, please? Yes? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyond. Everywhere that we are aligning and agreeing to or resisting and reacting to all sorts of corona news, can we now let go of all of that, please? Yes? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online shots, boys and beyond. All the facts, all the beliefs that we have bought from this reality about the symptoms of corona, about how bad it is, about how worse it can get. Can we now destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC/POD, online shots, boys and beyonds. Awesome. Everything that corona or COVID-19 is here to make us aware of, all the insights that it is here to give us, what is it? Can we receive it with ease? Can we have ease with it? Can we start receiving all the awareness and all the insights, all the learnings that it is here to give us with all the ease? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC/POD, online shots, boys and beyonds. I wonder what it is. I can't conclude what it is, but I really wonder, could it be slow down? Could it be just slow down and start living life a little more? You know, I just had this thought today. So पहली दूसरी मतलब पहली एक दो चीजें जो चली जाती है ना जनरली जब कोरोना होता है तो कहते हैं स्मेल चली जाती है, टेस्ट चला जाता है. और मुझे लगा कि यार हम लोगों में से इतना फ्री है कौन जो रुक रुक के स्मेल भी करता है और टेस्ट भी करता है. मतलब हम इतने बिजी है लाइफ में, तो कभी कभी मुझे मतलब ऐसे फील हुआ कि शायद कोरोना इसलिए आया कि रुक जाओ, स्मेल कर लो, टेस्ट कर लो, क्योंकि जब ये चला जाएगा उसके बाद फिर लगेगा अरे बाप रे कोरोना हो गया. तो मेरे छत पे नया चंपा का फूल आया. मतलब मैं 2 साल से इंतजार कर रही थी कि ये पौधा कब फूल देगा. फाइनली उसने मुझे, जिससे मैंने पौधा लिया था, उसने मुझे कहा था 2 महीने में फूल आ जाएगा. और फाइनली अब जाके उस चंपा में फूल खिला है मैंने. और जब वो फूल को तोड़ के स्मेल किया, दैट्स व्हेन यू नो आई गॉट दैट इनसाइट एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, मुझे तो स्मेल आ रही है, अभी तक कोरोना नहीं है. मतलब अब तो ऐसा हो गया है कि हम स्मेल और टेस्ट भी इसलिए ये चेक करने के लिए करेंगे कोरोना है या नहीं. And everything that brings up, can we destroy and uncreate all of that now? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC/POD, online shots, boys and beyonds. Can we slow down a bit? एक है ना बहुत पुराना एक हीलिंग मोडालिटी है, उसको शैमनिक हीलिंग बोलते हैं. मैं उसकी कुछ उसके बारे में पढ़ रही थी और मैंने उसमें पढ़ा कि वो लोग उतना ही कमाते थे जितना उनको पता था उनको जरूरत पड़ेगी. मतलब कमाते नहीं थे बेसिकली, वो लोग उतना ही काम करते थे, वो लोग उतना ही काम करते थे. तो उस समय का बहुत बहुत पुराना, एंड आई एम श्योर पीपल माइट डिफर with me on this, and it's a very debatable topic, but I'm not here to debate. I'm just here to share, you know, whatever I know about it, my awareness. You might have a totally different awareness, which is absolutely okay. तो वो लोग उतना ही क्रॉप्स उगाते थे और वो लोग उतना ही खेती करते थे जितना उनको पता था उनको इस साल जरूरत पड़ने वाली है, क्योंकि उनको पता था अगले साल फिर से और हम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग इतने अबंडेंस में थे. वो लोग उतना लैक में नहीं थे, उनको पता था कि वापस अगला साल भी आएगा. तो पता नहीं मुझे, लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि शायद इट कुड बी वन ऑफ दोज यू नो इनसाइट्स दैट कोरोना इज हियर टू गिव अस, कि भाई जी लो, सूंघ लो, टेस्ट कर लो. Isn't it? How does it get any better? Okay, so my only you know purpose of bringing up this conversation is let's just slow down and let's see how even corona can be a contribution in our lives, because if it is here, for sure it is here to contribute something, if not much, at least something to us. So what is that contribution that we are not willing to receive? No, we are just resisting. No corona, no corona, go corona, go corona. अरे भाई पर वो आया है, तू क्या बोलने आया, तू क्या सिखाने आया इस ह्यूमैनिटी को. थोड़ा हम अपना हार्ट ओपन कर लेते हैं, सीख लेते हैं, सुन लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं, उसके बाद आई एम श्योर बहुत कुछ आके निकला, ये भी निकलेगा. लेकिन उसका वेट नहीं करना है. अभी आज हमने डिसाइड कर लिया है ना. निकलने का वेट नहीं करना है. आज से सूंघना और स्मेल करना और टेस्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देना है. ओके, ऑसम. Can we start the magical process now? Yes? To make us realize the importance of our family. Oh yes. Importance of our own life, of our family, of you know this moment. Amazing. So we'll begin the process now. Can I request, अच्छा, मुझे बहुत थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है, मैं जनरली ऐसा नहीं करती हूँ किसी के साथ, मतलब कि मैं अकेली बोले जाऊं और सुनूं नहीं। तो मुझे आज ऐसा करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि कई लोगों ने पूछा है टाइम का, कई लोग को डिनर भी कुक करना है, बहुत कुछ है। My husband was kind enough to cook dinner for all of us today. For some reason, he just said कि आज मैं मेरा वाला पुलाव बनाता है. I was like, wow. So I was, I had those thoughts कि अरे लॉकडाउन है, कुक भी नहीं आ रही है और मेरा तो सेशन भी ऐसे टाइम पे डिनर, I was having those thoughts. तो मैं बात कर ही रही थी कि मैं पहले ही खिचड़ी बना के रख सकती हूँ कि आज, बिकॉज उसके बाद तो मेरा ये है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी से क्यों, आज मैं मेरा वाला पुलाव बना लेता हूँ. अरे हाँ हाँ, ये भी अच्छा है, आज तुम्हारा वाला पुलाव, राइट? सो which means, when we really ask for something, the entire universe conspires to help us achieve that. And all of us have heard it. If not read it in The Alchemist, at least heard it, right? Om Shanti Om. So that's how the universe conspires. Matlab, I was like, wow, how does it get any better? Awesome. So, sorry that I'm not allowing you all to speak right now, because so that we can wind up the session on time. But towards the end, once we finish the process, uske baad we'll, I'll take up your questions, queries, feedbacks, suggestions, and then we can have a discussion. Before that, can we start the magical process now? I will require all of you to sit comfortably for this process. It is like a meditation. I'll guide you through it. And it's beautiful. Like I created it today, and as I shared on the group, जब मैं ये पूरा मैं कर रही थी और मैं लिखती जा रही थी, suddenly, it started raining so heavily, and it was like आंधी तूफान. और एंड मैं उस मेडिटेशन में पानी में थी, मैं भागी विंडोज बंद करने के लिए और मैं पूरी गीली हो गई. मतलब ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है मेरे घर में मेरे साथ कि विंडोज में से इतना तेज पानी आ रहा था कि मैं आई कुड नॉट इवन शट देम. So I don't know, like it's beautiful, the way universe communicates to us through small things. Awesome. I can go on and on and on. I'm so fond of talking, but we'll begin the process now. So can I request all of you to be seated comfortably? Make sure that you all are on mute. I don't think this process should take more than 20-25 minutes, right? So, and 20-25 मिनट बाद भी दुनिया रहेगी, हम सब रहेंगे, खाना पक सकता है, हम सब खा सकते हैं, सब कुछ हो सकता है, for sure. So just be present. Let's be alive throughout this process, right? What I'll also do is I'll make another audio recording specifically for this particular process so that I can share it on the group later, and all of you who are interested can do it every day for next few days, at least 21 days. So I'll start the recording now. Let's sit down comfortably and close your eyes. Please sit down comfortably, close your eyes, and push all your barriers down, everything, anything that's coming up, all the thoughts, any point of views, any beliefs, any judgments about anything, about me, about yourself, about each other, about your family, about Corona. Just push all of that down energetically, push all the barriers down and start receiving. Become aware of your breath going in through your nostrils, touching your lungs, and coming out. And as you do it in this moment, just become aware of your lungs. How beautifully they are doing their job. You may want to thank your lungs in this moment. Relax with the rhythm of your breath. Going in and coming out. Become aware of your body that is touching the ground wherever you're sitting. Take your attention towards the part of your body touching the ground or the floor or the bed or wherever you are. And let your attention follow upwards from your legs towards your upper body. Relax them. Take your attention to your stomach, hands, shoulders, and relax them. Let your neck relax. Relax your jaws, forehead, temples. Become aware of your entire body from the tip of your toes to the top of your crown. Just relax your body completely. You're listening to my voice and any other sound in the background will help you bring your attention back to my voice only. As you relax, you keep going deeper and deeper into your own mind, into your own quiet space, into your own consciousness, which is a very safe and powerful place in your own being. Imagine yourself on a very clean beach, a seashore. You see a vast ocean right in front of you. Walking on the beach, barefoot, your feet firmly touching the wet sand. अपनी कल्पना में आप एक बहुत बड़े समुद्र के तट पे हैं और आपके पैर गीली जमीन को छू रहे हैं। It smells beautifully amazing. The smell of wet sand. And as you take your attention to the sand, you feel a deep connection with Mother Earth. Feel one with the Mother Earth in this moment. As you express your gratitude to Earth, you restore your connection and communion with Earth. Stay with this experience. Ground yourself completely. Start walking towards the ocean. Listening to the gentle sound of calm waves. One by one, see the waves coming and touching your feet. Take your attention back to the ocean. This is a magical ocean of possibilities. As every wave touch your feet, they wash away all the past baggage that you are carrying, all the fear, all the anxiety, all the worries related to Corona or anything else about your life. Everything and anything that you don't require anymore, they are being taken away from you to the ocean. All the diseases, all the past beliefs, all the conditionings, all the anxiety, all the pain. Every time a wave touches your feet, you let go of everything that's not contributing to you anymore. Allow the waves to take away all the baggage. Again comes a new wave, ready to fill your life with magic and possibilities. These are the waves of magic and possibilities. And you notice they are not the normal waves, but the magical waves of the magical ocean. And as and when they touch your feet, they leave their magical light on your feet. You start receiving the healings that they are here to give you. All the magic that these waves are sharing with you. Start receiving them totally and completely. And you touch these waves with your hands. And sprinkle some water all over your body. You sprinkle the magical water all over your body. The magical light from these magical waves start filling up your body. The light from this magical water, as they touch your body starts recovering. Making you hale and hearty, making you healthy. These waves leave a permanent impression on you and your body, filling every cell of your body with healing divine light, love, and magic. And you notice every part of your body, inside out, starts healing. Every system of your body starts healing. Gradually and slowly, healing completely, glowing with the magical light. You look at every part of your body and you are amazed the way every part of your body is glowing with this magical healing light. This is a state of absolute bliss, and all you can feel is a potent magical energy that you have completely absorbed into in this moment. And you feel a deep sense of peace, calm, and joy. You know everything is possible, and you just need to choose it by asking for it. Take another lung-filling breath, and you feel this divine golden light in your heart area. You want to share this magical healing light with your family. In the form of waves, you start sending this divine light to each and every one in your family. You may touch your heart area and start sending these waves of divine, magical healing to everybody in your family. Fill your house with these magical healing waves coming out of you. With your intent, send out these waves all across your neighborhood. your city, and your state. Just keep sending them more and more to everybody you know, to everybody who's asking for it. Keep sending them to the entire country and gradually to the whole world. ये वेव्स आपके थ्रू पूरी दुनिया में जा रही हैं और जिस जिसको छू रही हैं वो सब हील होते जा रहे हैं। अपनी कल्पना में अपने आसपास देखेंगे। In your imagination, you look around and you see the magical waves of healing light radiating from you, spreading all across the globe. आपके अंदर से ये waves, golden, magical, divine healing light निकलती जा रही हैं और आपके आसपास सब जगह फैलती जा रही हैं। Every house, every hospital, every person, everyone who's willing to receive this magical healing. You let these magical waves of healing light touch them and heal them. And as they touch them, they are filled with the same magical waves of healing. You are amazed by this magic. Express your gratitude to this magical ocean. You realize this love and magic is in abundance in the form of this ocean. It's deep in your own space, and you can tap into it whenever you wish. It is always available to you. The more you share it, the more you have it. Feel the joy of sharing this magical, divine, healing waves with the world. You know how to do it now. And now, in your imagination, you start walking again along the beach, leaving behind your past, leaving behind the fear, leaving behind the anxiety, leaving behind all the baggage, all the marks of corona, everything that's not needed anymore. And as you walk ahead, you see a bright future that awaits you and the whole world. You walk to a place where you see a clear reflection in the water of how you would like to see and create your future. You see the most empowering destiny and life that you know is possible. You feel very energetic, as if the entire universe is gifting you what you have always desired. You tap into the superpower that you just realized you always had. All the angels and spirit guides showering their blessings on you with the gifts of magic you just explored. And with all those gifts, with all the magic, with all the golden light, With all those waves, you start coming back. To experience a totally new reality, to experience a totally new life, a totally new way of looking at things, knowing everything is possible, knowing that you have the ability to create the magic and miracle. The very moment that you choose it, the very moment you ask for it, feeling very happy and empowered, you start coming up, becoming aware of your body, becoming aware of your environment, becoming aware of your breath, radiating the magic through your eyes, through your being, through every breath that you take in and release. You just create more and more magic. Start coming back with all the magic, with all the magic, all the miracles, all the possibilities. And whenever you desire, slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes, becoming aware of your body, of your environment. Let the magic flow through you. Even as you open your eyes, the magic will keep flowing. Whenever you're ready, you may open your eyes. Awesome. Yeah, wow. Welcome back, magical beings, magical wizards. Yay. So now you know when I shared with all of you today, like how I literally, like the rain was all over my face and my body. I was writing this and it was, I mean, I was like, wow, awesome. How does it get any better? Awesome. Thank you. I'm so glad you all enjoyed it. So are you all ready to share this magic with the world for at least next 21 days? And we really don't have to stop after that. Like, 21 days is just for the namesake, but it stays with you forever. And the next time that you feel anxious, that you feel the fear, touch your heart, tap into the same magical space, go to that magical ocean, bring back that energy, and know that if it's happening, it is happening for the best. Know that universe always has our back, no matter what. Universe always has your back. Yeah. So now you know how to spread the waves of magic. Everyone here? Yeah. Okay, I have also taken I have recorded this small, process that we just did. I'm going to share it on the group. And I have also recorded this session. If you feel this session has contributed to you in any which ways, please do share it with other people. And let's all of, I would really love all of us to become the magical warriors now. Right? So we are all the magical warriors. We know how to create magic and how to spread those magical waves in the world. Starting with our own self, let's send it to our family. Let's send it to the world every single day. Can we do it? Can we commit to it? Let's do it for the world. Let's do it for ourselves for next 21 days, at least. Yeah? Okay. And now you all are free to speak. हाँ बेटा. गैस जाम हो गया. अब सब कुछ होने लग चुका है वापस. The world now again needs us. Okay. All right. Okay. So any questions? Anything that you want to say, you want to contribute, you want to share, you want to ask? I'm sorry, मैंने 10 मिनट आप लोगों के ज्यादा लिए. 8:10 हुआ है. और जो लोग जाना चाहते हैं हम जा सकते हैं, लेकिन जो लोग रुकना चाहते हैं और थोड़ी सी बात और करना चाहते हैं तो हम लोग अभी वी आर फ्री टू डिस्कस नाउ. या everybody speechless, like wow. Okay, no questions, nothing, huh? Okay, just an added information, I'll also be starting a book reading sessions. Like I'll be starting them soon, so if that contributes, you can also attend them. Just abhi yaad aa gaya to maine bata diya. I hope you all enjoyed this process. Acha, do you all actually feel magical? Like I feel very weird vibrations in my hands. So मतलब as if वो मिडास टच वाला स्टोरी सुना है सबने, तो मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है बस मैं जा के बस वो वेव्स ऐसे करते रहूं, वो वेव्स फैलाते रहूं, बस वो मैजिक होता जाएगा. अब वो एक्चुअली होता जाएगा. When if you think you can, and if you think you can't, you are right, you actually can't. So this magic is only for those who believe they can, right? And all of us can. This process cannot stop here. Like it was just a small initiative to let you know that the magic is already there within us. We just explored a bit of it today. A small ocean of magic today. पता नहीं कितना है, कितना अंदर है. तो उस ओशन में से लेते जाते हैं और शेयर करते जाते हैं. जितना शेयर करेंगे और ज्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा वो. Yeah, feeling magical waves in my heart. Wow, amazing.
Hey, Jalpa.
Hi, Sneha.
Hi, this is Sneha this side. Hi. So first of all, I really, really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for organizing such a beautiful session. And you won't believe I have literally written down the things that you have said in my diary, and I really want to stick to the 3 to 4 habits that you want that you have told us about. Stop spreading the news, and spend time with your body, and consume positive literature, and of course practice this wonderful, that is so kind of you that you would be sharing this on the group as well. So really, really thankful, and I really could feel that a wave coming from myself, of course. So really magical session. I really, really want to extend my gratitude to you. Thank you so much, Jalpa.
Thank you, dear. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for receiving it, for sharing it with so many people, Sneha. Thank you so much. And I'll on that note, I want to share something. Like I shared, I have a hospital right in front of my house. पहले बहुत डर लगता था और अजीब सा होता था. पता है, जब से मैं ये करना, मतलब जब से मैंने खुद चूज कर लिया है कि नहीं, मेरे को मैजिक करना है, मेरे को नहीं डरना है, चलो मैं मैजिक कर लेती हूँ. अब हर बार जब मैं कोई गाड़ी नहीं आती भी देखती हूँ वहां पे, और मेरे को अंदर से मुझे लगता है, आई जस्ट ओपन माय हार्ट एंड आई एम लाइक, ये लो, टेक मोर मैजिक. गुड दैट यू आर हियर. आई एम श्योर यू विल रिकवर वेल. ऑल द बेस्ट. लाइक एनर्जेटिकली. सो वी रियली डोंट, दो ही मुझे लगता है रिस्पॉन्स होते हैं जनरली, अगर हमको ब्रॉडली डिवाइड करना है किसी भी सिचुएशन में. ये तो वो फियर हो सकता है, ये तो वो लव हो सकता है. सो हम लोग की इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडीशनिंग हुई भी है ना फियर की, कि मैं इतने सालों से बहुत कुछ प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, बट अभी भी मैं देखती हूँ फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स ज्यादातर मेरा फियर आता है, until I become aware of it, and then I change it. So if I see my son climbing on, up on stairs, first response, "Arey, girega ye abhi." And then I become aware of it. And then I'm like, ye le aur magic. Explore. Right? गिरेगा तो कितना मजा आएगा, नहीं गिरेगा तो कितना मजा आएगा, ये उसकी लाइफ है, ये उसकी चॉइस है, अगर उसको गिरना है गिर के समझना है तो भी उसकी लाइफ और उसकी चॉइस है. मतलब आई लिटरली स्टिल हैव टू नाउ आई एम पेरेंटिंग माई सेल्फ ऑल ओवर अगेन, बिकॉज अभी तक हमारी सारी कंडीशनिंग, जितना कुछ हमने लर्न किया है वो बहुत फियर बेस्ड है. और इसलिए कोरोना अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे तो वही निकाल रहा है हमारे अंदर जो ऑलरेडी भरा पड़ा है. सो लेट्स ट्रेन आवरसेल्व्स, let's become more aware of when we respond with fear and replace the fear with love. It's all right, it will happen. It's a journey of lifetime, right? So none of us here sitting here is a Buddha. तो जब बुद्धा ने पता नहीं कितने सालों तपस्या की, तो हम पता नहीं हमने कब शुरुआत की थी. And it's all right, we are not Buddhas, but at least we can choose to be Buddhas or to be that Buddha in that very moment, We can do it, right?
We can.
आएगी, हो सकता है और न्यूज आएगी, हो सकता है कई चीजें और सुनने में आएगी, लेकिन उस मोमेंट में क्या हम वापस कॉन्शियस होके फियर को लव से रिप्लेस करके, मैजिक से रिप्लेस करके वो वेव्स भेज सकते हैं. और वो वेव्स अब हमारे हार्ट में, हमको सिर्फ उनको भेजना है. So it is up to us whether we want to respond with love or we want to respond with fear.
Yes.
Right?
I'm feeling like कि मेरे हाथ में ना कुछ खजाना टाइप लग गया है.
तो बोल रही हूँ, मेरे को कितना ऐसे वाइब्रेशंस फील हो रहे हैं हाथ में, बस
Seriously,
exactly वैसे ही.
I am feeling like कि कुछ खजाना हाथ लग गया है, कुछ करना है इससे बहुत कुछ.
Wow.
Just right before this session, I got this news that the neighbor next door उनको कोरोना हो गया, and I was like, अच्छा. तो मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को बोला, सैनिटाइजेशन तो करवा देना अपने फ्लोर पे. अभी मुझे लग रहा है रुको, मैं अपने रूम में बैठ के सारा सैनिटाइजेशन करती हूँ. रुको तुम जरा, रुको.
फिजिकल सैनिटाइजेशन होगा, वो लोग कर देंगे, बट एनर्जेटिकली
वो तो कर दिया होगा. I'm sure.
यस, मैजिकल सैनिटाइजेशन हम कर सकते हैं. यार हम कितना कुछ कर सकते हैं जो हमको पता ही नहीं है कि हम कर सकते हैं. तो क्योंकि आज थोड़ा सा हमको ग्लिम्स मिल गया है कि अरे वाह हम इतना कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो क्यों ना अब हम करना एक्चुअली शुरू कर दें. है ना? विनीता ने मुझे बोला था कि जल्पा स्टार्ट राइटिंग कोट्स ऑन पैंडेमिक. तो विनीता मैंने पूरा सेशन ही कर दिया पैंडेमिक पे. I hope it contributes to you. Vinita is my classmate. We were classmates in school. We are friends. So good to see her today. Wow, awesome. ये वर्षा को खजाना मिल गया आज. I'm sure हम सब को वो खजाना मिल गया, और हमको पता है वो खजाना हमेशा से था. तो अभी इतना सारा खजाना है तो
I've been asking this question, Jalpa. Remember you gave that yellow poster, and I told you कि every day I look at it with a thought कि which question I need today. तो मेरा नजर उस जिस क्वेश्चन पे पड़ जाता है, मैं उसको शुरू हो जाती हूँ. तो अभी 2-3 दिन से एक ही क्वेश्चन है, what else can contribute to me? Who else can contribute to me?
Wow, amazing.
And here it is.
Amazing. Here it is. Oh yes. Oh yes. Can we contribute to each other as well? Can we send these magical waves to everybody who's present on the group also? Because somewhere, all of us chose to be here. Do you want me to keep this group for next few days at least? We'll just make sure that we do not send the forwarded messages here. And let's just keep sharing stories of magic and miracles. That's what we'll do. ठीक है ना? Let's inspire each other. Let's keep sharing the stories of magic and miracles that we create, right? I'm sure it will help all of us. I'm sure it will inspire all of us and motivate all of us to be more of the magic that we know we are now, right? Awesome. So how does it get any better? What else is possible? और जहाँ पे भी लगता है ना थोड़ा सा भी कि यार कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, just ask universe, touch your heart and tell universe, show me some magic now. Can I have the magic now, please? Can I have the magic now, please? Let this be the mantra for forever, yaar. Why just 21 days, right? Can I have some magic now, please? Universe, show me the magic. Angels, show me the magic. God, show me the magic. My own self, show me the magic. Yeah? Yes? All right.
Sure.
Okay. Anything that anybody
Before
else
you
wants to
close the
share?
Session.
Varsha?
Before you close the session, I want to say hi to Manish ji. Hi Ranjana ji. How is your food that business going on?
क्या चल रहा है अभी तो लॉकडाउन है ना तो a bit restricted now because हमारी सोसाइटी में I think there are around 22 cases.
अच्छा